In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Adblock in Brave browser. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once Brave is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main Brave menu where you can access your browser settings and other options. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's settings page where all of the browser's privacy, appearance, and system options are organized. Next, look at the left side panel and click on Shields. This section controls Brave's built-in protection features, including AD and tracker blocking. Once you are in the Shield settings, find the option labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. You will see a menu that may currently be set to Standard or Aggressive, depending on how your browser is configured. To disable ad blocking across Brave, change that setting to Disabled. Once you do that, Brave will stop blocking ads and trackers in general, and websites should begin showing ads normally. If you don't want to disable ad blocking for every website, Brave also gives you the option to turn it off only for one site. This is useful if you trust a particular website or only need to allow ads temporarily. To do that, open the specific website where you want to allow ads. After the page loads, look to the right side of the address bar and click the Brave lion, also known as the Shields icon. This opens the site-specific Shields controls. In that small panel, you will see the main Shields switch. Toggle that switch to off for that website. This disables Brave's protection only on that site, while keeping it active everywhere else. This second method is usually the better choice if you only need to fix one website, because it lets you keep your privacy protections on for the rest of your browsing. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.